Besties. I wanted to show you all how I created this boa as an accessory for my look for my Barbie Bling Brunch. I purchased this tulle from our textile discount store in Chicago. It's like wall-to-wall fabric, and this I cut into pieces and I began to scrunch it up to make bows. And I had 2 yards of white string that I tied the bows onto, and you just see me like folding out the tulle so I can cut it and then just keep scrunching up bows. Now I probably made about 60 bows for this or more. I didn't even count, but I know it was more than that because I used 40 yards of fabric in total and I used all of it. So I just kept making the folds so that the bows would be thick so that I can have a really thick boa accessory. And I just tied them onto that white string and I just scrunched it right in the middle, and then I just kept on doing that over and over again. Now this probably took me about 5 to 6 hours, y'all, but it was totally worth it. So this video is not really a how-to, it's just kind of showing you some behind the scenes of how I created this accessory for my look. I just continued to scrunch up these bows and I just repeated this process over and over and over again. And I wish that I could have got the spools of tulle because it would have been easier to just roll it out and cut it. But this worked out just fine. You know, I ended up spending about $50 for 40 yards, and doing some research online, I was looking at boas and they can go anywhere from the hundreds to, like a couple $100s to $500. So I think I saved myself a little bit by making it myself. So this is what it looks like on the string, and it's not fully scrunched together in this clip, but I wanted to show you guys how all those bows look, and it is absolutely fabulous when it all comes together. I do wish that I could have made it a lot longer, so I didn't use the full 2 yards. I probably cut off a little under half a yard because it really just took a long time to make, and I didn't have that much time because I did make this the day before my party for my accessory piece. But I just love how it turned out. I really hope you guys like how it turned out. I did insert some photos at the end of this so that you can see how I wore it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I'll be happy to upload some more behind the scenes of the other accessories that I made. So stay tuned for those. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you're following the Sparkle Company Chicago on all platforms. Love you, Sparkle Besties. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.